This is Christina for Sunrise Windows, and today we are going to talk about changing out a block and tackle balance. For this task, you will need a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver or drill, flathead screwdriver, a replacement balance, and in some cases a replacement balance anchor. The first thing you need to do is remove the sash or sashes from the main frame. If you're changing balances on a keeper sash, you should remove the lock sash to get it out of your way. If you're having trouble removing your sash, please watch our video on double hung sash removal. Once you have the sashes removed, remove the balance covers from the main frame and set them aside. Unhook the balance string from the shoe using your flathead screwdriver. Slowly release the string up until it reaches the balance housing and there is no longer any tension on the string. Using your number 2 Phillips head screwdriver or drill, remove the balance screw from the top of the balance. If you are replacing the anchor, you will need to remove the old anchor, and this can be done using a flathead screwdriver. Take your new balance and place the balance screw through the balance, then place it into the anchor. Then you can go ahead and tighten the screw. If necessary, repeat this on the other side. Once you have swapped out the balance, you can reattach your balance string to the shoe. Use your flathead screwdriver and pull the string down and tuck the metal tab into one of the shoe slits. Reinstall your balance cover and sash and you're all done. We hope these tips and tricks were able to help you, and if you have any further questions, please contact your dealer or contact us